What is up, YouTube, and to my Sneaker World family? It is your man again, JU12, aka Bubba, guys, and I'm back with another video. And tonight, guys, I will be giving you guys a quick review, quick look at the Marvel New Balance 530s. And this would be the Spider-Man Homecoming bait and Marvel collaboration. And guys, before we get into all that and all the fire that you are seeing right now, guys, before we get into it, do not forget to hit that thumbs up button for your boy. And also, guys, do not forget to hit that, smash that notification bell that is right there. Do not forget to smash that notification bell for upcoming vids. And guys, if you would like to see more of my comic and Marvel collaborations, man, continue put that in the comment section. That definitely goes a long way for me. And it also helps me to interact with you guys, which I love to do, and what content you guys will love for me to put up. So definitely do that for me, guys, and I appreciate that greatly. Now, as we get back into these fire flames right here, guys, listen. All right, before let me do this. Let me shout out my guy here. I want to shout out my guy Gabriel Kicks 23, and once again, man, thanks again for all the love and support, man. Guys, Gabriel Kicks 23 is the one. I watched his video. If you hadn't seen Gabriel Kicks 23's video on these right here, man, go definitely check that out on his page and like and subscribe to his page, man. He has dope ass videos, dope content. But when I first seen those on his channel, man, I had to have them. I thought I wasn't gonna be able to get them, but Gabriel Kicks 23, man, gave me the alley oop, kind of gave me the oop, and I just caught that sucker and slam dunked it. So, man, I appreciate you for the assist, man, on these. So, definitely go and check him out, man. Go subscribe and go check out the vid on his. Man, when I first seen these guys, these are insane. I mean, when you look at the detail on these, it's just ridiculous. These are mad stupid, guys. When these dropped during the Spider-Man Homecoming release, this was back July 10th, I believe, 2017. These retailed at $120, and these were a beta exclusive. They were mad limited. And guys, let me just let you guys get a 360 of these, man. I know my camera, and just stay tuned. I will definitely be getting a better camera. But guys, look at this. Is all leather, by the way. You got your Spider-Man logo there. You got your Marvel tab. Let you see that there. New Balance there. Your 530 there. There's your tongue. This is insane. I mean, these are probably one of the dopest New Balances that I've had in a long time. Got your 3M in there. Check out the inside. This is crazy also. This is insane. When I saw this, you have your Marvel Spider-Man there. Look at that. That's your insole there. You got a spider web with him there. Second shoe here. Check that out. Guys, these are insane. Extra set of blue laces there. There's your bottom there. These are dope as hell, man. Let y'all see the box. This is the surprise here. Got that on the side. Check out this dope ass box, man. Look at this. Marvel New Balance. And got that right there. The surprise of it all, the comic strip paper. Whew. These just mad stupid, man. But definitely, guys, do not forget to like, comment, subscribe. This has been JU12, aka Bubba. This is the Bubba Files. Lego.